30 and 60, and this drone is only 130 grams. Let's see if this drone is going to take off from the ground or no. Alright, I'm pushing my stick all the way up. Let me push it to the sports mode and try. Alright, there is 90 gram weight in the air, and you can see my battery is also down very quick. In this video, I am going to check how much weight this drone can lift. This is DJI Neo. In my last video, you just saw I tried to put weight on this drone, but while it was already in the flight. But in this video, we will try how much weight it can lift from the ground, and let's see how this drone is going to perform. This drone weighs only 130 grams. So I have with me 15 grams, 30 grams, and this is 60 grams. And we will try them one by one, and let's see how this drone will perform. And if it could lift all of them one by one, then maybe I'll join two of them together, and let's see how this drone is going to perform. This video is going to be very interesting, guys. It's going to be very interesting video. You will see how this tiny drone will perform in this kind of conditions, where we will try to get the maximum out of it. However, this drone is not made for these things, but we will try. Let's see. Let me switch on everything quickly. Alright, so first of all, I will attach the 15 grams of weight on it. Alright, we are almost done. This is a ball point. This is a marker. So I will take off from the ground, and let's see if drone can take off easily. Alright, as you can see, this drone took off easily and is hovering in the air with that pen. The drone is 130 grams, and this pen is 15 grams, and drone is pretty stable. It's not really struggling a lot. It's stable in the air. Let me try to move around with that pen. Alright, it is struggling a little bit, but let's see. There you can see the pen is hanging around, and I'm moving it forward now. As you can see, the pen is still there. The drone is carrying it pretty easily. There, my drone is coming back now. Let me bring it back. You can see this drone is trying its best, and looks like this 15 gram weight is nothing for it. It's doing it easily, and we have to go one step further, and let's see how this drone will perform when we increase the weight. So let me quickly land it. Alright, let me increase the weight now. So now I will put 30 grams weight on it. Alright, now the 30 gram weight is on. This is a scissor. Let's take off this drone again from the ground, and let's see. All right. It is in the air, pretty stable again. And I can see it is pretty stable, and it is taking that 30-gram weight also easily. And even the noise on this drone also is not increased, it's still same like before. Let me fly it around with this weight also, and let's see. So it's still flying pretty stable. There's no issues at all. It is impressive, guys. This small drone which is only 130 grams and is doing that well. You can see how stable it is. There is a 30-gram extra weight on that drone, and you can see this drone is still performing very well. It's not even shaking in the air. It's pretty stable. Let me just hold that weight. So this, you can hear this noise. There's no big difference. This drone is still making the same noise. There's no difference in the noise as well. So it means it can lift that 30-gram weight also easily. We have to go one step further. I'll try and increase the weight to the 60 gram now, and let's see how this drone will perform. Alright, even this 30-gram weight also, this drone can take off easily. So now I have to go to 60 gram. Let's see. So it's going to be double from the 30 to 60. So it's take 3. Now it's 60 gram of weights. Now it's 60 gram. Let's see if this drone is going to do the same performance, or it will start struggling now. So there is 60 gram weight on it now. Let's see if it can take off from the ground now. All right. It is struggling now a little bit. You can see it's not stable. It is trying its best. It is hovering, but it's not pretty stable because the weight is not enough for this drone. So it's just struggling a little bit. It's coming down also with the weight. So the moment the weight just pushes it a little bit, so it just starts coming down. But it's still trying its best to maintain the position. It's still on the same place wherever it is. It's not leaving the position. Even though it's going down, then it's coming back to the same position, and it is lifting that 60 gram of weight easily. That you can see, guys, how impressive it is. I can't believe it. Let me just fly it around and let's see. So let me pan my camera down first, and there is my knife. So I'm taking it up in the air. Let's just move it around. This drone is still flying. All right. It's still flying perfectly. All right. Did you see that? What just happened? The drone just went down straight. All right. There you can see something is really serious going on with this drone now. It is crying right now, crying for its life. Earlier on it was flying perfectly, but later on now you can see even the noise. But it's still flying with that 60 gram weight. Still doing well. It did not leave the position. It goes down, but then it comes back to the same position again, and it tries best to stay on the same position wherever it is. Alright, let me land it. Even when I tried to land this drone, it just landed like quickly. Like it was crying, and it was asking for it. It was asking for landing, guys. Let me do what? So this is 60 gram extra weight on this. Let me put 30 gram more, and let's see if this drone is going to lift from the ground or no. Alright, so now it has 90 gram extra weight on it. 30 and 60, and this drone is only 130 grams. Let's see if this drone is going to take off from the ground or no. Alright, I'm pushing my stick all the way up. You can see this drone is doing funny stuff, but it's not taking off. Alright, finally we got it, and it's stable. Can you believe that? It is stable also in the air with that 90 gram weight on it, and this drone is only 130 grams. That is really impressive, guys. And there it goes down in the ground. Let me take off again. There you can see. It's really very scary for that drone, because this drone is not made for this. But you can see this drone is trying its best. Let me try again. Okay, now it's not taking off. There you go. 90 gram in the air. 90 gram in the air, guys, you can see. Let me push it to the sports mode and try. Alright, there is 90 gram weight in the air, and you can see my battery is also down very quick because I'm pushing these motors. Alright, now it's not even lifting that weight anymore because the battery power is low.
Low battery. Aircraft landing automatically.
So I think this is enough for this small tiny drone. You just saw this drone, 30 gram it could lift easily, and then after that we tried 60 gram, that also it could lift easily. But when it comes to 90 grams, this drone started struggling, and it tried its best. It did take off that weight as well, but then it cannot handle that kind of weight, because even though this drone is not made for this kind of tests, but I'm trying for my subscribers. So you just saw this drone has capabilities. Like if you have a small weight, 10, 15, 20 grams, 30 grams, if you want, if you are outside in the ground and you want to deliver a small chocolate to your kids, you can just put it on top and deliver it. So if you do like the video, please subscribe my channel. Until next time, ciao ciao.